Hey, welcome back to Project Simon. In today's video, we're going to tackle this little spot right here. I did get the floor in. Well, it's not fully in, but I set it in there to make it look. I got to clean that up too. That might get done today too, just depending on how long this takes. But I got a couple hours. Let's get it done. Alrighty, guys, got the panel in. Worked out pretty good. It's a little long right here. There's a little lip that comes off of your outer seal and actually connects to that. But what I'm going to do is when I put the outer seal on, I'll just trim it down so that it mates up with the outer seal. But it's setting in there. Then I'll clean it up a little bit more and give it a couple tacks and get her in there. We'll bring you back when I got it done. Hey guys, I'm back. I got it welded in. I'm not letting you get real close to my welds because they look like shit. But that is the better of the welds I've done so far. So I turned my welder down a little bit and it seemed to like it a lot better. But yeah, here it is. I'm gonna grind her down, get some primer on it. Alrighty guys, we got her finished. It looks pretty good, I think. I might have to trim this top profile down when it comes to putting this A panel on and stuff like that, but we'll worry about that when the time comes. But I'm pretty happy with that. Like I said, I'll have to trim this little bottom down too. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I think it looks good. Getting there, one piece at a time. I think next thing I'm going to start working on is cleaning up this floor right here. We'll bring you back when I get that started, or get that going. Okay guys, it's kind of late in the evening. I cleaned up all around that. I've started fitting the panel. Of course it's a Magnum, so it's not quite fitting right, but I'm hoping once I do the final trim up here I can get it to set a little bit better. But I've had to beat and prog. My problem is if I get them lined up down here, I got a big gap up here, and then it was hitting up here. This hole don't really line up, which ain't no big deal. I could actually drill it and make it a little bigger. But it's slowly coming along. But don't ever buy Magnum panels. Magnum panels suck. Yeah, I got a little thing here. I got to make a sliver here. While I was doing the floor, I found a little rust spot right here, so I went ahead and trimmed it out, and I'll go ahead and make a piece for it and slap it in there. And I'm hoping once I get digging into this, I ain't gonna find anything in here either. This feels pretty solid though. But yeah, I think this will be it for tonight because it's kind of late and I can't do no more banging and grinding because my neighbors they get mad. So we'll talk to you later.